Hello, Mr. Grace. I don't really know the way you look the life of Europe, buying of house of Europe and building house in Nigeria. Which one are they more preferable to you?
Okay, see, the thing, it actually depends. So, balance for Europe is good. So, bidders for Bogo is still good. Now, as a beginner for abroad, wey be say you come, you never really know where you dey go,
Mm,
particularly when be say person never get document. E dey advisable every money wey dey enter your hand because say you know if you actually keep am for the country say there, say you wan save am dey wait till you get document or you wan come dey invest am here, the money go consider as an illegal money. So for that reason, e go good. So during that period, use the money take build house for Bogo. Start structure wey be say you go fit quick finish. And by God's grace also try to look for good manager, person wey go dey help you dey build am because you no fit dey the two side. So that if the person dey build am, they go build am well for you. No be say they come go still chop money. So e good for that process. But by the time you get document or you get document when you dey abroad, bro, and you get the opportunity with good job, e dey advisable make person buy house for here. Because the thing be say if you no buy house for abroad when you get document,
mm,
so when person wan come take buy am, house dey very important. Even for this IT wey we dey now, may I even give example, many persons dey now wey be say the house wey dey stay, landlord don already tell them say make dem comot,
mm,
and now dem dey find even agency no see house give dem.
mm,
Dem no fit go stay street.
mm,
And house na the enable person dey get resident for this place, and the
mm,
resident dey very important. You know say if resident don too dey cut holes come dey, if time reach in future dey affect person, particularly when the person wan apply for citizenship
mm.
as long as e dey this country. So if you get your own personal house, now you see say advantage dey. Document no be just only to your find work, buy ticket, you go your country, you go gbewe for.
Mm.
No, document na so another art, another process to enable you integrate into the country system. Do
Mm.
things wey their citizens also dey do, even if not be the 100%. If na 60%, you fit do, such as you go fit enable you to fit still buy house genuinely, even if na mortgage, you take the one wey be say like fix you, not the variable. Maybe some other time we fit analyze that one. So
Okay,
that you buy the one wey be say e go still dey affordable for you.
okay. But some people when me I don't come across with and wetin make some people say they like few people when I don't see interrupt concerning this matter. Some say them they fear say maybe that house wey they buy later government go collect am from there. And wetin you see to talk about that matter?
Thank you for this very question. This one clear, e clear. The thing be say the reason wey dey make people dey fear for abroad say if they buy house, government go collect am for their hand. Their problem na ignorance.
Mm,
Yes, na ignorance, because the truth be say government no dey actually collect house from anybody. Two reasons wey go fit make government collect house from person hand.
mm-hmm,
As I said earlier before, I be say I will talk am later, but now okay, for house buying, different processes dey by contract wey take dey buy house. You get what they call fixed contract. If for instance now you agree say you wan pay for the house 500 € every month for the next 30 years,
mm,
30 years too long sha, then e no go change, na 500 you dey pay every month. But if you come go buy one wey dey call variable, na that one be the problem.
wetin you call am?
Variable
Wetin that one mean?
interest.
Variable interest.
Interest, yes.
Wetin that one mean?
Variable interest, the thing, you know, say our people they like cheap things.
Okay.
And variable interest they start in a very cheap rate. And many of our persons they buy house without even understanding the conditions we follow this contract. Because they just see this variable, maybe you say they pay 200 every month. You go think na 200 the one they pay, they go for life. You go just take them. You go come buy am. Maybe the next 3 4 months just now from 200 the thing already enter 350.
Okay, go there and say
By the
ask a question, you go learn. You understand? Because even this variable when you still talk about me myself not still know how people, but I don't come across when person tell me say in buy house when they put out say maybe they want to collect 300. Maybe like say the next month they can collect another one. The other month that like just
Yes, and that
uh
be the disadvantage of variable interest. Variable interest is dey skyrocket as they break, and particularly when you say the country economy dey boom,
mm,
everything dey good,
mm,
work dey dey,
mm,
the money go just dey vex, go just dey rise like Jebo Garri. But the only other advantage wey be dey for variable, if person fit patiently, because sometimes maybe bank fit no wan even give you fixed interest, na variable dey available from them, and person wey be where e dey na landlord don say make e move out.
you not get
You no get choice. So if you take
choice.
that variable, if you fit patiently follow up, if you fit patiently follow up for one after 1 year, you go change am to officio.
They feel a changer.
Yes, after 1 year. You come, you fit go change am. You must reach 1 year. After 1 year, you fit go change am to fix you.
I believe say people still get 1 or 2 points from this your knowledge concerning buying of house and all those things. Abeg, please, anytime you come across this video, please don't forget to share am.